see where I just walked from.
Snow began to be recorded in the United States in a snow event. Friends from southern cities such as Hamburg West Falls and Eden reported about a foot of snow on Monday night. In Buffalo, New York, the band of lake effect snow east of Lake Erie is slowly moving south, but slower than expected. Many locations in central and southern Erie County have already reported more than a foot of snow as of Monday night, with some areas approaching a foot of snow. Snowfalls of up to 18 inches are possible from time to time in western New York. Heavy snow blew in from Lake Erie in western New York on Monday, November 27th, and conditions were expected to worsen overnight Tuesday, with 4 to 8 inches expected in Buffalo. Areas south and west of the city could see up to 18 centimeters of snow. Videos on social media show winter scenes in the Buffalo area as the late lake effect storm began to hit the region, the governor said. Accumulation rates could reach 3 inches per hour, and wind speeds could reach 35 miles per hour. Visibility on stretches of Interstate 90 already appeared to be worsening as traffic slowed Monday afternoon, and the most dangerous weather conditions would occur in areas where lake effect snow bands are forming, producing lots of snow at a short period of time, making it difficult to travel to some difficult places. Weather experts have indicated that up to a foot or more of snow is expected to accumulate west of Sika Orchard Park and other areas south of Buffalo as a band of lake effect snow travels back south during the Monday afternoon. Both the city and town of Orchard Park have issued travel advisories for drivers in their areas. They also point out that when driving in snow, you should use your winter driving skills, which means slowing down and leaving plenty of space between you and the vehicles in front of you, and using caution. Additionally, forecasters have indicated that lake effect snow is hitting from Ohio to western New York, so schools in Cleveland are closed due to the lake weather. Snow and winter weather warnings are in effect Tuesday morning in Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York. York, as the region is in Ohio, is experiencing heavy snowfall. Schools, including the Cleveland Metropolitan School District, are closed Tuesday due to the weather, as more than 15 inches of snow has already fallen south of Buffalo, New York, near Lake Erie. Overnight in New York, east of Lake Ontario, up to 13 inches of snow fell, with up to 23 inches of snow falling north of Traverse City, Michigan. The temperature is also falling in several regions. In Minneapolis, the temperature is dropping by 1 degree. In Chicago, 3 days. In Pittsburgh, 14 deg. In Pittsburgh, 14 deg. And in New York City, 26 deg. Experts have predicted that cold temperatures are also forecast for Wednesday, the 29th. In New York City, the temperature will drop 16 deg. In Charleston and South Carolina, 37 deg. In Atlanta, 23 days, and in Tallahassee, 30. Onedegi. 3 western New York communities asked drivers to stay off the roads Monday night. Police and Orchard Park in the town of Evans Angola Village subdivision issued travel warnings as towns south of Buffalo were hit by the rapid accumulation of lake effect snow. Orchard Park, the National Weather Service reported accumulations of more than a foot of snow. Upstate New York is no stranger to this lake effect snow formation as cold winds blow over relatively warmer, ice-free waters in early winter. These lake effect storms blanket the Buffalo metro area, contributing to a seasonal snowfall total of 133 in the city. The average annual snowfall is currently about 95. Some experts point out that because the winds will not be blowing directly along Lakes Erie and Ontario, this lake effect will not be as strong as expected snowfall. Totals have indicated that outside Lake Erie, 8 to 16 inches of snow usually fall. Many people initially wonder what causes lake effect snow.
Schools like the Cleveland Metropolitan School District are closed on Tuesday due to weather. More than 15 inches of snow has already effect, snow.